Hi, I'm Mrs. Gooderham. I'm so excited to be having you in my class this year. I did want to give you a heads up about an assignment that we'll be working on, and that is an interactive notebook that we'll be creating for our classroom. Here's an example of one on the screen, and I'm going to be showing you some other examples as well. Like here's one of mine. There are some requirements. First of all, you have to have 2 for the whole year, so you'll have 1 for first semester, 1 for second semester. And the real reason we have these is because we don't have an official textbook. This becomes your textbook. It can be your resource for studying and getting ready for quizzes and projects in our classroom. Some things that I've used, at least in the past, to decorate my journal are old magazines. Like this, you can cut out words, you can cut out pictures, old cards that you might have. Obviously ask your family before cutting them up, but sometimes there's good quotes and pictures that you can use to create that. I also like going around and collecting stickers for some of my favorite places. I've used obviously quotes, pictures of my family. I use ticket stubs sometimes, depending, you cut parts of it off. Things that are going to remind me of something that makes me happy and that I'm excited to see that. Other things I've added in the past are drawings, colorings. Mine are for a 4-year-old, but I still like them on there because they make me happy. So it's basically going to be anything that represents you, that makes you happy. And I decorated some of the back, but not all of it for these two. Again, these are some of the things that I decided to put on there, and they make me happy when I see them. For the front of your cover, you must have things like coloring, sketch, write, collage, add quotes, anything that makes it and represents you. You need to include your full name, and then both of those are due by Wednesday, August 22nd. Once you bring those into class, then we will be preserving them with clear tape that goes over the front and back of those. Can't wait to meet you and see your brand new science journals.